Here's the dirty secret of business growth. You already know what to do. Follow up faster, track your numbers, call your old customers back. Every owner keeps a someday list. We really should someday. This is a tour of that list. Because the gap was never knowledge, it's execution. Almost every growth problem is really a nobody owns it problem. The idea is known. The system just doesn't exist. Nothing on this list needs talent, luck, or a bigger budget. It needs a system and an owner. Start with speed. A new lead should get a response in 5 minutes. Not tomorrow, minutes. Interest decays by the minute, and the first business to respond wins an outsized share of deals. And keep going. Most sales take 5 to 12 touches. Most businesses stop after 1 or 2 because nobody is counting. Run the math on your own numbers. Leads per month times your close rate at fast versus slow response times what a customer is worth. That one leak is usually worth more than it would cost to fix the entire list. Now the gold mine. The list of everyone who ever bought from you is your most valuable asset, and it's probably sitting untouched. Reactivating an old customer costs a fraction of buying a new one. A quarterly campaign with a reason to come back is usually the fastest revenue in the whole system. So why is none of it running? Honest diagnosis. Because the owner of every one of those jobs is you. You're the CEO, the top salesperson, and the head of operations. And building systems keeps losing to today's fires. You have 3 real options. Do it yourself. Free in cash if you can protect 10 focused hours a week for 6 months. Hire for it. A real fix at $120,000 a year, or install a growth OS with an operator. Built and run for $2,000 a month, with a named human accountable for your weekly numbers. Everything on this list you already knew. The question was never what, it's who and when, so book the free custom demo. I'll show you which of these gaps cost you the most. Live on your numbers, the link is on screen. Mikey.ai, someday ends when someone owns the list.